Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a small flat panel sign using double-sided tape and silicone. Here's what you'll receive: your flat panel sign with double-sided tape already applied on the panel, a silicone gun with silicone, a cleaning cloth, and the instruction manual. First, make sure the surface where you're placing the sign is clean and dry. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe away any dust or dirt. Measure up from the ground 1200 millimeters using a tape measure and put 2 marks on the wall. Next, you'll peel off the double-sided tape off the back of the sign. Next, we need to load and prep the silicone gun. So we've got the tube of silicone, and we need a knife or a sharp pair of scissors to cut the tip off. And then try and cut this on a 45 if you can. And to load it into the gun, you put your thumb on the trigger and pull this out. Load the back end in first. Put the thumb on that again and push it forward. Pull the trigger until some starts coming out. Now apply the silicone evenly around the sign. Okay. So you've got the 2 marks on the wall. We're outside again. What we're going to do is everything's ready to go for the sign. We're going to hold the sign on the bottom like this. Line it up with your 2 marks on the wall, making sure it's straight with the wall. Gently push it against the wall like this. You'll feel the double-sided tape grab. Just push all over the sign evenly for a minute or so, and you'll feel it just set. After the sign's been left on the wall for around 15 minutes, come back and peel this clear application tape off the sign, being careful around the small commas and dots. And then you're complete. If you have any further questions about the installation, please contact us at GC Signs and Plastics. Good luck with the installation.